spot him up down?
Yeah, we should probably wait till he gets down here first. Well, what do you think?
He's good.
Passenger a little bit. Straighten it out. You made a drop. There you go.
Don't.